Antigua, are you ready for some football? Are you ready for some excitement? Are you ready for romance? Saturday, 5th October, all roads lead to the Antigua Recreation Grounds for the opening of the ABFA's 2013-2014 football season. All teams will gather at the Country Pond at 4 p.m. and make their way to the ARG for the presentation of the teams, followed by the 2012-2013 prize-giving ceremony and grand opening extravaganza. Then it's time for the big opening game of the season. It's back-to-back champions. Limo Road versus 4-times champion Asset Arcade Param. Admission only $10. Then on Sunday, 6th October at 5 p.m. it's Sandy Pro Fort Road versus Grenans FC. And at 7 p.m. is the 5-time champion Bassa FC versus 2-times champion Sugar Ridge Sap FC. And then on Wednesday, 9th October, it's Willikes FC versus Potters FC at 5 p.m. And then at 7 p.m. champion Footwear Hoppers FC versus Special Security Services All Saints United. Admission on Sundays is $15 and on Wednesdays it's $10. ABFA football is proudly brought to you by its partners, Wadadley Gold, Harney Motors Limited, Observer Media Group, and the government of Antigua and Barbuda. ABFA football is not only romantic, but fast.